What is SEO? The expression SEO means search engine optimization, optimization of search engines, or what is called natural referencing. This is a practice of optimizing your web pages to rank higher on search engine results pages. Search engine optimization is also a reliable and cost-effective marketing strategy that allows you to drive traffic to a website and increase conversion rates. To better understand what SEO is, this video introduces you to the basics of SEO and search engines and explains how search algorithms work as well as the factors that influence your site's ranking. Search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM, are marketing strategies that businesses use to reach their audience through search engine results. The main difference is that SEO focuses on optimizing pages so that they rank higher through organic traffic. These are site visitors from search engines such as Google or Bing. For its part, the SEM uses paid strategies to increase the visibility of a website on search engines. Visitors from paid traffic click on advertisements generated on Google Ads or other platforms. While SEO takes a while to give consistent and lasting results, SEM offers almost instant results. You will quickly see the number of clicks and conversions your ads are generating on search engines. Although they are different, SEO and SEM work hand in hand. A good SEO foundation is necessary for a successful SEM strategy. Optimizing your landing pages with keywords can improve Google's quality score and increase your site's visibility. What factors influence SEO and which are the most important? As a leading search engine, Google processes over 6.5 billion searches per day. Thus, a better ranking in Google search results can generate significant traffic to your site. This is why it is essential to pay close attention to Google ranking factors. These factors are constantly changing along with Google's search algorithms. They help deliver the most relevant content for a better user experience. From page load times to website safety, here are the most important ranking factors you need to know. Page speed. It defines the time taken for a web page to load. A page that loads quickly can help your site rank higher in search results. Monitor your site's performance regularly and use speed analysis tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights and the Pingdom Speed Test to get a feel for your site's performance. Mobile compatibility. Responsive design automatically adjusts website elements to accommodate different screen sizes, providing the best experience for visitors on all devices. Pages from responsive and mobile-friendly sites will appear higher in search results. Use Google's mobile optimization test to measure the usability of your site. High-quality content. Provide relevant and factual information to answer specific queries. Google evaluates content length, structure, relevant keywords and information. Always create unique and original content to attract more visitors and increase the visibility of your site. Backlinks. Also known as inbound links, these are links to your website placed on other sites, serving as an indicator of your site's authority. When a website includes your link in its content, it marks your site as a relevant source. Pages with high-quality backlinks from credible sites may rank higher in search engine results pages. User experience. Google measures user experience using several criteria, including bounce rate and dwell time, also known as downtime. When visitors arrive at a site and leave it soon after, Google considers the site irrelevant. Therefore, if visitors stay for a while, it means that the site is providing valuable information. Site security involves all actions aimed at protecting a website and its visitors from cyber attacks. Thus, Google gives priority to websites secured by HTTPS. A site that does not have one is considered insecure and may scare away visitors. Since security is a top priority for every internet user, it is essential to add an SSL certificate to your site. How does natural referencing work? Google and other search engines make an effort to collect, organize and display relevant information to answer user queries. To do this, they go through three main processes, namely crawling process, indexation, and ranking. Starting with the first one. In crawling process, search engines rely on a team of web crawlers, spitterbots, or simply bots to find updated content on the web. Crawlers help discover and collect the information needed to index a page. Indexation. This is a process by which search engines store and organize the collected web pages. After web crawlers find information about a site, such as keywords and fresh content, they add the web page to the search index. When users search for relevant information, the search engine will look for the indexed website. Ranking process. The search index web pages will then be displayed in the search results from the most relevant content to the least relevant content. This video is just an overview of what we called search engine optimization, SEO. If you want a deep course of SEO and how to rank your page on the top of Google search page, please check the link in description. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel to receive more course and tips.